Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the black screen problem on your Itel A200 device. Simply watch the video carefully and follow each step to troubleshoot the issue and make your phone work normally again. So if this tutorial has helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell for more helpful tech guides. Alright, let's get started.